All right, here's another cheap tool you may want to consider buying for yourself. If you buy and sell trucks, especially older ones, or you have customers bringing you older trucks to work on, here is an item that is always missing from an older truck, and that is the tool to remove the full-size spare. So most of your full-size trucks have a hole in the back bumper where something that looks like this reaches through to lower the full-size spare in the back. So what this is like a master set. And I'm gonna remove these, and you can see it's labeled, I don't know if that's gonna focus or not, but it's labeled like Chevy trucks 06 and up, you know, F-Series and Econoline vans 07 and up, early model Fords, Dodge Durango, you know, Dodge Dakotas, S10 Jimmy Blazers, you know, full-size Dodge, all that stuff. And they're color-coded. So what's nice is now if a customer brings you a truck, you have the right tool to remove that spare out of the back. If you buy a used truck, which undoubtedly it's going to be missing this piece, now you have one. And you know, if you're going to a junkyard or something to pull apart, you know, now you have one. And then this is the hand crank, so you know, to get it, so the hand crank installs on the top here, and then the bottom piece of each of these, like for example, this is for Japanese trucks, the bottom of that looks like that. And then for example, this one, 98 through 01 Dodge full-size trucks, so they'll have this kind of, what is that, like a hex shape. So anyway, I don't remember exactly what this costs, made by a company called CTA Manufacturing. I think I picked this up for 40 bucks, but if you're dealing with a lot of older trucks, this may be very well worth the money.